Cancer is not just a disease. Cancer is a journey. And you can either be a victim of cancer or a survivor of cancer. Greetings and salutations, one and all present here today. I am Pankita Patel, survivor of one of the rarest cancers, gastrointestinal stromal wild-type tumors, is standing in front of you all to talk about cancer. First of all, cancer never always means death. You heard me very right. It's not always death. Every single year, around 18 lakh humans, 18 lakh people are diagnosed with cancer and 9 lakh people die. So here comes your perspective. You can either see the glass half full or the glass half empty. The first thing is that what is cancer? We all are aware of it, right? Cancer basically means when the abnormal cells in your body grow abnormally and they form a tumor. Okay? And they disrupt a tissue and they disrupt ultimately an organ. A tumor can be of two types, benign and malignant. Benign tumor is generally not cancerous and malignant tumors are cancerous. But why do you need to listen to all this? Well, when me and my family, we confronted this news 3 years ago, we were unaware of the fact that there is something inside my body which is the size of a muskmelon already and on the stage 3. It was hard to find a solution of the disease then and there. So there was no such symptoms, but where did we go wrong? First of all, because the thing which I did was, my schedules were really hectic. And in our hectic lives and overburdened shoulders with responsibilities, we lose the very consciousness of our own bodies. How will anyone, feel, or how will anyone feel that there's something inside their body when the person is doing chin-ups, push-ups on Friday and Saturday she gets a fever? No one would ever know. So I don't want this to happen with anybody else. So here comes some of my learnings. First is, whenever you see a person who is suffering from a disease like this, they are not weak, okay? Because they are fighting one of the harshest and hardest battles of their lives. That too, taking it gracefully. Some years ago, in 2020, when I went to a school for admissions, when we just came to Delhi, and they said that you have scored really well, we would love to have you, but because of your diagnosis, we cannot admit you to the school, because if something happens to you, we will be responsible and we can't withstand that. So try to understand people rather than just being sympathetic towards them. Second, if you see a person who is new to any such diagnosis, ask them to go for second opinions, to ask as many doctors as they can, to consult as many doctors as they can. Don't just rely on your family physician, don't just rely on one single doctor. Third, join a support group. There you will find people like you who have survived this and who will help you with this. Last, I would like to conclude with an activity. Would you please stand up for me? Yeah, thank you. Now please sit down.
I was thinking you have to say
This-
She wanted to take a standing ovation.
2 years back, this was my milestone. Just doing this much. This was something I couldn't do. I needed 2 people just to make me stand and sit. So count on your blessings, take out time for yourself and take life itself as a one-time event. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay fit. दुनिया देखी है? क्या तुमने दुनिया देखी है? अगर हाँ तो कितनी दुनिया देखी है? और किससे ज्यादा? उस बाप से ज्यादा जिसने अपना सब मिटा दिया, उस औरत से ज्यादा जिसकी मांग से हालातों में सिंदूर मिटा दिया, उस औलाद से ज्यादा बाप की पगड़ी के खातिर जिसने अपना प्यार भुला दिया, या उस माँ से ज्यादा जिसने औलाद के लिए अपने अरमानों को दफना दिया, या उनसे ज्यादा जिनके पास तुमसे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं? बोलो तुमने कितनी दुनिया देखी है? वो जो आज परेशान है, उन्हें तुम्हारी अनुकंपा की तोहमतों, फिजूल की रहमतों से दूर रखो। उन्हें मजबूरन तुम्हारे नजरिए को नजरअंदाज करना पड़ता है, उन्हें हर और से जिल्लत सहना पड़ता है, और उन्हें बोल चाहिए हौसलों के, और उन्हें बोल चाहिए हौसलों के। और तुमने सीखा क्या है सिवाय हालातों को कोसने के? मकानों में बैठकर दरीचे से झांकने को दुनिया नहीं कहते, बाजारों में बैठकर सट्टा मारने को हारना या जीतना नहीं कहते, नहीं कहते सफेद बालों को अप्रज्ञता की निशानी, उम्र गुजारने को जानना नहीं कहते। क्या देखा तुमने? बोलो, क्या देखा तुमने जब तुम समझ नहीं पाए? क्या जाना तुमने अगर तुम किसी की मुसीबतों में हाथ नहीं बढ़ा पाए? क्या भोगा तुमने अगर तुम्हारे हाथ दूसरों के आंसू पोंछने में कांपते हैं? तुम तकलीफ में किसी के यदि हिम्मत वाले दो शब्द नहीं बोल पाए, तो कैसे बोलते हो तुम? हम बहुत जानते हैं। सोचो तुमने कितनी दुनिया देखी है? सोचो तुमने कितनी दुनिया देखी है, और किससे ज्यादा? जो तुमसे नीचे है उनसे ज्यादा, या जो तुमसे ऊपर है, आगे है, उनसे ज्यादा? अब बोलो तुमने कितनी दुनिया देखी है?
Public speaking is not just about speaking in public. It takes time for you to build confidence and self-esteem, to go on a stage and speak in front of hundreds and millions of people. It takes the right fluency, the correct vocabulary, and the perfect body posture. Even I was skeptical about performing in public places, public stages. But then I joined Webstock. Webstock is India's leading public speaking institute. Here, the teachers are over the top. They teach you about grammar, they teach you about the correct body posture, the right vocabulary, the correct fluency, and even the pronunciations. And there will be a lot of competitions, which include Sunday competitions and the outdoor competitions, where you have to speak in front of many people, which will help you build your confidence. Webstock is not just an institute, it gives you a great vibe. There you'll make very good connections, like with your batchmates, and very good connections with your teacher. They are friendly and understanding. Thank you. This was Pankita signing off.